What's going on, folks? My name's Rel, and today I'm gonna be eating a Loco Moco. Now, last time I had a Loco Moco was actually back in Hawaii, so it was like 2 years ago. But yeah, we have a Japanese Hawaii restaurant, or market, I should say, that's close by. So I actually went over there and got some. So here you go. Check this out, folks. Looking really good. It's basically just a burger, egg on top with some gravy on it, and then usually with rice on the side. But yeah, it looks delicious. Let's dig in. First, I'm gonna actually break the egg yolk here. I always like doing that. See if I can get you a good bite of all of it here. Ooh. Look at that, though. All right. That's pretty good. The burger, really salty. It's kind of similar to like meatloaf flavored. I don't know if you guys had meatloaf or whatnot, but it's kind of like that. Really good though. And then egg yolk and gravy on as a topping though, super bomb. No, it's like a good mixture of like that gooiness with the not the crunch, but like with the bite of the meat. It's nice. For today, I got brown rice with it. It was in between the white or brown rice, but I think I had my fair share of white rice this week, so. Let me show you guys another bite of the meat with the egg here. Which hella fell on the table. At least that didn't fall on the floor. That would have been a waste of an egg. Get a little bit of the rice with the gravy as well. So I don't know if you guys heard, but there's like this new story or trending story that's going around. It's really tragic. It's about this 16-year-old kid who passed away drinking too much caffeine. Freaking crazy. Reports say he had a Diet Mountain Dew, a latte from McDonald's, and some energy drink. They didn't say which energy drink in particular, but dude, it was harsh, man. When I heard about that, I was like, Kim and I were talking about it a little bit, because like I used to drink a lot of caffeine back in the day, and I'm pretty sure I've drinking maybe that amount or more. Now, the story says he drank it in like a 2-hour span or whatever. which is a lot to take at one go, but I can imagine not only me, but I know there's people who do that on the daily, you know what I mean? So it was crazy to hear about. Me personally, I lowered my caffeine consumption a long time ago, but to think that that can happen to anybody, you know, just drinking a huge amount of caffeine at once and then going through heart failure like that, like the kid did. If you guys have any opinions or anything on that, definitely leave a comment below. It was, I don't know. When I read that story, I was just like, damn, that's hella tragic. Go with another bite here. This time, hopefully, the egg doesn't fall off. Nice. Pretty dope. On the top of it all, there's like a little itty bitty worm. I think it's like I think it's a piece of Spam, but they cut it into the shape of a turtle. Kind of dope. Yeah, it's definitely Spam. Anyways, I was talking to Kim, and I was thinking about possibly doing like a different series or a news type of series on my channel, or making a new channel, one or the other. I just don't know what it would be yet. I don't know. I kind of had that creative spark earlier in the morning, and I was like, maybe I should try something different, but I just don't know exactly what. I know it would be something different from food, and also something different from gaming, because I wanted to keep those two out of it. But maybe in the future, not anytime soon, probably in the future, I'll probably add a different series of some sort. I don't know. When I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. Alright. Last bite of the Loco Moco here. Oh. Come on. There you go. Last bite right here. Guys got it. Cheers, y'all. Whew. Pretty much just rice now. Alright, you guys. Hey, thank you all for watching. Definitely hope you enjoyed the food just as much as I did. If you did, definitely leave a like on the video. Also, feel free to subscribe for more content. And hey, I'll see you folks next time. Peace.